Good night, classmates and tutor. My name is Juan Carlos Diaz Das. I currently live in Guateque, Boyacá. I am a system engineering student. I like to plant trees of my parents' farms. Consumers has made many forests disappear. It will be good to create conservation brigades to help mitigate the filling of forests. Into this will help reduce the emission of carbon dioxide and this take care of your planet. Unlike carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide is not found naturally in the atmosphere. It is created by incomplete combustion of coal, natural gas, and oil. The greenhouse effect is the amount of gas in the atmosphere with properties to disproportionately warms the Earth's temperature. The tropical forest has been dismissed mainly by labor construction and immeasurable deforestation. There must be control by the environment authorities so that the forests do not disappear of over time problems. Like this what caused the global warming is incredibly a high risk problem for humanity, where man has been responsible for gradually diminishing of ecosystem. In Colombia, we observe that there are regions that suffer from a lack of water, for reasons that water sources are not protected. In addition, water is not treated as a strategic resource. Safe water is one of the best ways we can to take care of our planet. Thank you.